Check out what I received from Legend. This is a super nice 3-quart saucepan and can't wait to use it. And it's packaged very nicely. Also comes with user instructions as well. This is the lid. Now what I like about this is you can put it on the stove and you can even use it inside the oven. How awesome is that? Here is the saucepan. And this is the lid, and this will hold 3 quarts. Has a nice handle right here, and here is the top with the handle. Now what's really nice about this, it's made of 5-layer copper core stainless steel. Super nice, and has nice rivets holding it. And it even has an area right here that it shows how much you have filled it up. That is really nice because you don't see that very often. And this is what the handle looks like, and also has a hole here so you could hang it up if you choose to. And this is the bottom, and it says Legend on the bottom. It says stainless 5-ply copper core performance. Super nice. Can't wait to use it. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.